Okay, in the question there is a particle which is moving simple harmonically along a straight line. It starts from the origin without any initial velocity. Let's take this is your y-axis, this is x-axis. So இங்கிருந்து start பண்றாராம் where x is equal to 0. Okay, ஆனால் இங்கே velocityயும் 0 கொடுத்துருக்கு. Okay, and what else is given? In the first second the distance traveled is L1. For example, இங்கிருந்து இங்கே வந்திருக்குன்னு வச்சுப்போமே, this is t is equal to 1 second. This distance is L1. In the second from here to here, this is L2. T is equal to 2 second. Okay, it travels L2. Then what is the amplitude of oscillation they are asking? They are asking what is A. Appo here what we can do? Appo in the simple harmonic motion, if you write equation, okay, how it can be? X is equal to, if you write A sin omega t, this is not correct. Why it is not correct means at t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, that is correct. But what happens to velocity? Velocity is nothing but a omega cos omega t. But t is equal to 0 இருக்கும்போது velocity a omega maximum இருக்கும். ஆனால் velocity is what? 0. Okay, அப்போ what we can do is, okay, so here we can write the equation as x which is equal to, okay, a minus a cos omega t. If I write like this, will it work? At t is equal to 0, what is the value of x? Okay, cos 0 is 1, a minus a is 0, so that is correct. If you talk about velocity, okay, what will be the velocity at this mean point? We have to differentiate this, correct? So if you differentiate this, what you will get? Dx by dt will be equal to, here you will get what? This is 0, this is minus a omega sin omega t. So you will get sin omega t. If you substitute t is equal to 0, your velocity will become 0. Appo this can be the function for displacement. Okay, using this we can find. Appo first second it is traveling a distance of L1 at t is equal to 1 second. Okay, it is traveling a distance of L1. If you apply here L1 which is equal to a minus a cos omega, at t is equal to 2 second, how much distance is traveled? L1 plus L2. So L1 plus L2 is nothing but what I will get? A minus a cos 2 omega. Okay, so using this we have to solve it. Over here L1 plus L2 I can written as, in the a வியும் காமனா வெளியே எடுத்து கீழே அடிச்சு விட்டுடலாம். So you will get 1 minus cos 2 omega. So here L1 plus L2 by a is what? 1 minus cos theta. Okay, we can write this as, okay, we can write this as 2 sin square omega by 2. Okay, so here theta by 2, so I am writing omega by 2. Okay, so here theta is 2 omega, so here I missed it. So 2 omega by 2, appo you will get what? Only omega. Okay, so 2 sin square omega. Appo with this can we try something? Because here I have a cos omega. Option la pathina cos sin எதுவுமே கிடையாது. Okay, so here what we can do is, here this also we can rewrite it as L1 by L2 by 2a, which is nothing but sin square omega. Okay, then what will be your cos omega? So L1 which is equal to a minus a, this I can write it as what? 1 minus cos square omega. Appo cos square omega is nothing but what? So here instead of doing this, the same thing we can do here. So here a va common you will get 1 minus cos omega. So here 1 minus cos omega which is equal to L1 by a, correct? So here I can write cos omega as 1 minus L1 by a. So square on both sides, what you will get? You will get cos square omega which is equal to 1 minus L1 by a whole square. Okay, so now we can try to relate it. So here sin square omega I can write as 1 minus cos square omega. So here L1 plus L2 by 2a which is equal to 1 minus cos square omega is nothing but what? 1 minus L1 by a whole square. Okay, So then what we can do, L1 plus L2 by 2a, which is equal to 1 minus, if you square this, what you will get, 1 plus L1 square by a square, and then minus 2 L1 by a. So and then you will get L1 plus L2 by 2a, which is equal to 1 minus 1 plus L1 square, minus, so minus L1 square by a plus 2L1 by a. So from this we have to extract what is a. Okay, this will get cancelled. So denominator a we cancel பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, sorry, here it is a square. So a square means we can cut square alone. அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும் நமக்கு, L1 plus L2 by 2 will be equal to 2L1 minus L1 square by a. So L1 square by a is what, 2L1 minus of L1 by 2 minus of L2 by 2. Okay, this we can see the option and then we can change. So here L1 minus L2, that is there, L1 minus L2. So here what we can do, so a alone we can keep, actually நம்ம இங்கேயே நம்ம மாற்றிருக்கலாம். So that's fine. So a will be equal to L1 square divided by, what we will get, so here if you take LCM, what we will get, LCM would be 2, 4L1 minus L1, correct. So 4L1 minus L1 is 3L1 minus L2. Okay, this 2 will go up. Okay, you will get 2L1 square by 3L1 minus L2.